Hey everyone, and welcome back to Butchy. For those of you joining us for the first time, please don't forget to like us below. This video is going to be geared towards the new Uber and Lyft driver. It's our latest in our series of videos to help the new Uber and Lyft drivers earn 5 stars with every ride and how to treat good customers. So, with that said, it's also going to be geared towards my Uber and Lyft passengers. And I'm going to use this video to train and to also introduce myself into my car. So here's my car. It's a 2018 Ford Focus. It is gold, although the Uber and Lyft app will occasionally show it in very different colors, from brown, gray, silver, and white. I don't know why, but it does. So I want you to be safe, and I want you to get into the proper car. So this is my car. So if somebody shows up and it's not this car, don't get in it, folks. When my car shows up, feel free, jump in any door you feel most comfortable in. If you have a cup of coffee or soda with you or a snack, feel free to enjoy while you're in the car. I just ask that what you bring in that you take out. If you have a particular radio station that you would like to have on the radio or an XM channel, let me know. Otherwise, the radio will be off when you get in the car. My goal is to get to you as quickly and safely as possible. And I realize there's an Uber and Lyft driver shortage, and it's creating a lot of frustration with the passengers, and I am so sorry, and it's not much easier on the drivers, I assure you. Rest assured, at least for me, that as soon as I accept your call, my number one priority is to get to your location, pick you up, get you in my car, and drop you at your location as quickly and safely as possible, because that's how I make my living, and I can go on to the next person. With that said, I want you to be comfortable, feel welcome. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to let me know. You can also communicate with me before I get to your location by using the Uber app through text or giving me a call. Otherwise, feel free to look around our YouTube channel, and if you like, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.